Welcome to Quebec City, a little slice of Europe in North America. Here you can explore cobblestone streets and enjoy the French charm. Today we are touring one of the most iconic landmarks in Canada, Fairmont Le Chateau Frontenac. It is often dubbed the most photographed hotel in the world. Let's step inside and uncover its rich history and timeless charm. Built in 1893, the Chateau Frontenac was part of a grand vision to create opulent hotels that would encourage luxury tourism and train travel across Canada. This lobby has welcomed famous guests, including Queen Elizabeth II, Winston Churchill, and Celine Dion. Guests often take guided tours that begin right in the lobby, exploring the history of the hotel and the Old Quebec district. The hotel hosts two restaurants, Le Sam and Champlain. There are also boutique shops and event spaces. One thing you definitely don't want to miss is the all-you-can-eat brunch buffet. My favorite was the breakfast potatoes, seasonal fruit, and Liège waffles. And you get to enjoy breakfast in this beautiful dining room alongside the St. Lawrence River. The chateau features 610 guest rooms, blending timeless elegance with modern comforts. Expect rich mahogany paneling, marble staircases, and vintage touches that take you back to the golden age of travel. When the hotel first opened, rooms did not have private bathrooms. There was a shared bath on each floor. Thankfully, times have changed, and there are in-suite bathrooms that are now beautifully updated. Each room came with its own personal room assistant. And can we talk about the adorable turn-down service? It's the little touches that make the stay feel extra special. Whether you're here for the history, the views, or the waffles, Fairmont Le Chateau Frontenac is more than just a hotel. It is an unforgettable experience. Thanks for coming along on this tour with me. See you next time.